Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to find educational resources related to Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. To find educational resources related to the application, you can explore various channels that offer guides, tutorials, and community support. Here are some best ways to access these resources. Visit the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet official website, where you will find a help center, FAQ, and user guide. You can also find it through your application. Open the application and log in using your credentials. Then click on the settings button at the bottom right corner of your screen and scroll down until you see FAQ section. Click on it and you will be accessible to frequently asked questions from here. You can also check the Unstoppable blog on their website for articles on using the wallet, crypto best practices, and update on new features. Blogs are often a good source for detailed exploration and educational content. You can also follow Unstoppable on Twitter, YouTube, Medium, or other social media platforms. This account often posts tips, tutorials, and news updates. Join the Reddit community such as r/cryptocurrency, r/unstoppable wallet, or relevant subreddits. These forums often contain discussion guides and user-submitted tutorials. If you are having trouble finding specific resources, use the wallet customer support. Scroll down and you can see Contact Us button. Click on it and select any medium from which you want to contact. By exploring these resources, you can deepen the understanding of the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet and stay up to date with its latest feature and security measures. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.